So I've completed a bachelor's degree, a master's degree, and finishing my PhD at the moment. And one of the questions that I get quite a lot as somebody who studied for over 8 years at university is how much do grades matter, right? Because a lot of people ask, they're so worried and they're so obsessed with what's my grade? What's my grade? Does my grade matter? The big answer to that question is that it's more like what did you get out of the program, right? Anybody can go do a degree, right? I can go do a degree in computer science and just focus on the grades and think that the grade is a representation of how much I've learned. The reality is, when you're sitting in that interview room, yes, a first is nice on paper, but your competency, I would rather finish with a third class or a pass on a degree, but have so much competency from the materials that I've studied that I can sit in that interview room and demonstrate my skills. Like maybe I've got great live coding skills, I've got great portfolio, but maybe my letter grade doesn't reflect, how well I actually learn. So grade isn't necessarily reflective of how well you've learned, but you should focus more on what you can do as a result of that degree rather than just the number. Because anybody can get a first at the end of the day, but it's about what you take away from it.